What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see sensitive content on Twitter or X app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up the X app. So after opening the X or Twitter app, what you need to do, you have to click on your profile, then you have to go to settings and privacy. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you to see the sensitive content on Twitter or X app. So after coming on settings and privacy option, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to find the option called privacy and safety. You have to click on it, then you have to click on content you see. You have to click on this option. After that, what you need to do, you have to click on sensitive media, then you have to click all the options here and set them show all. Just like this, you have to click every option and you have to set them as show all, not warn, not never show this. You have to set them at show all. So after setting this, you have to click on search settings again. Then if this two options turned on your mobile phone, you have to turn it off. Just like this, hide sensitive content, this option should be turned off. To see your sensitive content, you're ready to go. Now you can see sensitive content on your X app or Twitter app on your mobile phone. So this is it guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.